Well, it's the middle of April and it's snowing in Utah, but I don't think that compares to the snow job that's coming out of Wall Street. If you remember, just 4 months ago, the wizards on Wall Street were predicting a recession. The stock market was down over 20%. Some people were calling for it to drop another 20%. And it was all gloom and doom. Here we are, 4 months later, we're just a fraction away from hitting an all-time record high. The IPOs are coming out, things like Lyft and Uber and the wizards on Wall Street. Now they're telling you buy, buy, buy. Last night, Disney announced their earnings. They talked about their new streaming service, which there was no new information. We've known about their streaming service for, I don't know, a year or more now. Their stock bounced 10% just overnight. We're seeing 4 or 5% bounce in the stocks of the banking industries. Listen, we're back to irrational exuberance. I'm not saying that this is the time to sell, but what I'm saying is it's not the time to buy. I personally have been selling calls. Today I sold about 25% of my Disney stock. I am starting to take positions off the table. I think the market still has room to grow. I think international stocks can go up another 10, maybe 30% from where we are, but the U.S. is getting long in the tooth. I think it's a snow job. I think you want to take a contrarian position. The S&P 500 right now is just above 2,900. I don't think it's likely to get above 3,000. Could go to 3,100 later in the year if we get some amazing earnings, but I think that's a long shot. So I'm not saying sell, but what I'm saying is that you should consider a contrarian position, and when everyone else is buying, that might be the time that you should start thinking about selling. Hey, if you want to know about specifically what I do, you can always go over to my firm's website, investablewealth.com. My blog post there will tell you when I make a change to my model portfolio. You can also sign up for free notifications. You won't get spammed. Check it out. Until then, as always, this is John Pugliano wishing you the very best returns.